Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 27th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin held strong over $7,500 all weekend, and today, Bitcoin is up 2.3% at $7,735.41. Ethereum up 1.6% at $197.15. Dash actually down out of every single one of the cryptocurrencies, down 2.8% at $83.62. And Litecoin almost flat, up 0.7% at $44.85. I think the pump is primed for Bitcoin to make a big movement over the next week or so. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date and informed on everything going on cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.